You guys, do you know that you can start your own scrunchies business with less than 5,000 naira? All you need to do is to stay to the end of this video and learn how you can make different size of scrunchie. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make two size of scrunchie. This one on my hand right now and the bigger size that I am holding. These two scrunchies, you're going to learn how you're going to make it step-by-step process so that you can start making money from your home. Stop begging for urgent 2k. So this video is for you to learn and start your own business from home. So you guys, this is the Ankara that we are going to be using. We are going to be using Ankara. So in here I have two different pieces of fabric. So this one is for the bigger size, and then the length, I'm using length 45, and then the width is 5 for the bigger size of the scrunchie. Are you guys following? Please, if you have any question, go ahead and ask. So for the small size, I am using the length of 20 inches, and then I am using the width of 3 inches, just as seen in this video. So the next thing you're going to do, you will fold it like this, and then you're going to make sure that it aligns, and then you take it to your sewing machine and stitch down by 1/2 inch, and then you will do the same thing on this other bigger size of our pieces. You're going to fold it in like this, and then you're going to take it to your sewing machine to stitch down the side by 1/2 inch. So I will just do that, and then I will bring it back, and then this is it. This is what we have. So the next thing, you're going to go ahead, fold in like this, just as seen in this video. You're going to make sure that you fold in like it, and then you're going to cross this other part like this, and then you're going to take it to your sewing machine and stitch it, and then as you are sewing it, you're going to be dragging it out, just as seen in this video, and then you do the same thing on this other small size. And then this is me on my sewing machine, and this is exactly how you're going to sew it, and then you're going to be dragging it just as seen in this video. So you're going to make sure that you take it easy on yourself, and then you're going to be dragging it as you're sewing it. You're going to be dragging it like this. That is how you're going to be doing on the both side of your scrunchies. So guys, when you get towards to the part where you start sewing, you're going to leave about 1 inches open, because we're going to be using that opening to bring it to the right side. Are you guys following? And then this is it. I'm going to remove it from the 1 inches that we left open. I'm going to use it to bring it to the right side, and then I will do the same thing on these other small pieces of our scrunchies, just as seen in this video. Are you guys following? You guys, please, if you have any question, go ahead and ask in the comment section, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with your friends. So this is it. I have my elastic here. I have the length of 5. I'm using 5 length 5 for the small size of my scrunchies, and then I'm using length 7 for the big size of my scrunchies, just as seen in this video. And then I'm going to use my safety pin to put it inside, and then I will, after I'm done, the next thing, I'm going to go ahead and tie it. I'm going to make sure that I tie it to be very strong, just as seen in this video. Make sure you tie it very strong, and then I'm going to do the same thing on the bigger size of my scrunchies. I'm going to go ahead, and then I'm going to go ahead and put the elastic inside the bigger size of our scrunchies, and this is the small size of our scrunchies. You can see how beautiful it is, and I'm going to take it to my sewing machine to stitch it down. I'm going to stitch down the part that we left open and bring it back, you guys. And you guys, this is what it looks like. This is the outcome. You guys have seen how it looks like. This is the small size, and then this is the big size of our scrunchie. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.